Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to recover Gmail account two-step verification. So let's get started. First, go to the Gmail account and type in your email address. Here, if you can't sign in, then you can see what happens. You don't have a password, then Google won't let you in. So basically, to recover a Gmail account with two-step verification can be a bit complex, but it's certainly possible. Now, all you have to do is go to your recent active Gmail account. Then inside your Gmail account, tap on three dashboard on top left corner and scroll down till you find send feedback. Now, all you have to do is type on your feedback or problems. You can try contacting Google support from this on the account recovery page. All you have to do is follow the instructions and submit a recovery request. Once you have submitted a recovery request or sent feedback to Google, they will review the information provided and attempt to verify your identity. This process may take some time as Google takes account security seriously and needs to ensure that the person attempting to recover the account is indeed the rightful owner. So during the review process, Google may contact you via alternative email addresses or phone number associated with your account. Overall, while this process may take some time and patience, Google will do its best to assist you in recovering your account securely. So, if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching.